Welcome to 2 Minute Art Tips, art lessons in 2 minutes or less. In this lesson we will look at drawing a panda using basic 3D shapes. So let's get started. First we're just going to have a quick go at roughing out basic 3D sphere. We can squash it, we can stretch it, and also a basic cylinder shape. These are what we will use to draw the panda. Next we'll start to build the panda using these shapes. We'll use circular shapes, stretched and squashed to fit the panda, and cylinder shapes for the arms and legs. Now we'll draw up the rest of the panda for the final sketch. And there you have it, a panda drawn using simple sphere and cone shapes. Now it's your turn. Have a go yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are more videos on my YouTube channel, Sketchbook Explorer. Keep sketching and I will see you next time. Bye.